Hello Scorpio Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Tarot PH. Kamusta po kayo? Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for Feb 17 to Feb 23. I-take nyo lang po yung mga ka-resonate kayo and then leave the rest. Huwag nyo na po problemahin yung mga hindi akma sa inyong reading. And then use po your intuition so that makuha nyo po yung akmang messages na bigay sa inyo ng yung spirit guides this week. Okay po? Thank you nga po pala sa mga nagla-like, nag-share, at saka po nagsusubscribe. And those who are not skipping the ads, maraming salamat po sa inyong generosity and kindness sa ating channel. It means a lot to me po. At the center of your reading, you have the King of Wands. Beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Chariot card. In the area of what you need, you have the Five of Pentacles. In the area of your recent past, you have the Ten of Cups. Beautiful. In the area of your near future, you have the Ace of Wands. In the area of your challenge, you have the Six of Swords. In the area of your fortune, you have the Justice card. Wow, good karma. In the area of your advice, you have the Hierophant and the King of Swords. At ang outcome mo this week, Scorpio, you have the Nine of Cups. Wow, wish fulfillment. Bago ang lahat, take a moment para mag-wish po kayo because in my practice, kapag lumabas ang Nine of Cups, you really have to take a moment and make a wish kasi may power siya to make something na matupad. So kung ano po yung dasal nyo, i-pray nyo na po yan because Nine of Cups is a wish fulfillment. Okay. Pwede nyo i-pause yung video kung gusto nyo. Okay. That is your beautiful, beautiful outcome, wish fulfillment. Wow. At the bottom of your deck, Scorpio, you have the Page of Swords. Studying. I'm seeing you studying something, whether sa trabaho o sa negosyo. Pinag-aaralan mo para mabusisi mo at para mas tumaas pa yung level of skills mo, diba? Tumaas pa yung nalalaman mo sa bagay na industriya na tinatakil mo o kanabibilangan mo. For others, I'm hearing good news, whether getting a news from email or text or chat na inaasahan mo about a certain job offer or promotion or approval, may nilalakad kang papeles. I'm also seeing contract signing. So kung may contract signing, basahin mo mabuti. Make sure na every detail ay naiintindihan mo at pumapayag ka so that it will be a mutual agreement from the both parties para hindi ka rin agrabyado. That is at the bottom or at the background of your reading this week, Scorpio. So magandang maganda. Action ang iyong background. In the center of your reading, you have the King of Wands. I'm hearing parang determinado ka to do something this week. May mga balak kang gawin, yung mga balak kang simulan. You have the power within and the fire within you to go for the things na gusto mo. Medyo matapang ka, Scorpio, very gagawin mo talaga kung anong gusto mo kaya medyo misunderstood ka saka matigas ang ulo mo So I'm hearing and I'm seeing talaga na kung anong gusto mong gagawin mo, and this time I'm hearing meron kang binabalak na probably may gusto kang simulan na endeavor, whether negosyo yan o something passion project or anything na kahit nga pagkukumpuni lang ng kotse o pagkukumpuni ng bisikleta basta parang trip mong gawin gagawin mo, diba? Or whether gusto mong mag-apply sa ganito o asikasuhin yung papeles, parang ngayon gaganahan ka to do that and nothing will stop you and no one will stop you in achieving the things na gusto mo. So the King of Wands being clarified by the lovers. Yes, it's all about your choice. O kung for other Scorpio na about love life, ito, takpan natin yung isa kasi naka-jubad yung isa Yan. So, meron kang pinopursue na someone, very passionate ito nararamdaman mo for someone na to. So, for Scorpio singles ito, so parang meron kang lakas ng loob para makipag-communicate o makipag-date with someone. But for other Scorpios na taken na, may asawa na, meron ng significant other, medyo ngayon parang you're brave enough to communicate o spice up your relationship, mas thicker, mas maalab yung bond nyo ngayon. But for other Scorpio, I'm seeing na meron kang binabalak about this choice. Kasi lovers all about choice So, meron kang gustong gawin, whether gusto mong maghanap ng trabaho o subukan yung gantong, bawa may nakita kang bagong job opening, parang sige, try ko yan. Parang gustong kong gawin yan. Or whether a passion project, meron kang gustong buuin, i-develop o i-molde o simulan, parang ito yung right time for you to do it. Kasi Parang ang lakas ng loob mo this time at saka determinado ka this time. Akit po tayo sa area ng conscious and subconscious in the position of what you want. You have the Chariot card. Meron ka talagang gustong simulang proyekto na gusto mo nang mabante, na gusto mo nang magkaroon na to ng fruition, magkaroon na ng nasimulan na, for others, I'm seeing travel. So, kung may bala ka lumipat o bumiyahe o magbakasyon muna, parang yun yung nasa loob-loob mo, choice mo muna magbakasyon o maghanap ng ibang job, part-time job somewhere else or pagkakakitaan or sideline. I'm seeing na parang you want to take action on something na magpapropel sa'yo into the accomplishment of something new in your life. I'm hearing na parang this time, sawa ka nang huminto, parang gusto mo na magsimula, gusto mo nang trabahuhin, gusto mo nang umaksyon. So the Chariot is being clarified by the Seven of Wands. Parang you want to prove yourself to other people. You want to prove that kaya mo, na magagawa mo, na ma-accomplish mo, na magiging successful ka sa endeavor na yan, na may matutunguhan, and that it is the right thing for you to do. Parang meron kang fire within you to prove yourself o to show other people that magbubunga tong tinatrabaho mo na ito. I'm seeing someone na gusto mag-try abroad and then other people were like, wag na i-try, mahal, magastos, baka di mo kaya doon, ganyan. Pero ikaw, you want to prove yourself that this is the thing na gusto mong gawin at gusto mong simulan and for your future. Kaya parang ngayon, yung fire within you is to prove them wrong and to prove yourself also to yourself na kaya mo nga at kung ano yung plano mo ay doable and attainable for you. In the area of what you need, kung gusto mo daw mabante na gusto mo nang simulan, pero ang kailangan mo daw ay focus on your strength, because Five of Pentacles is about really difficulty, pwedeng financial difficulty, parang nahihirapan ka ngayon in accomplishing things Kahit gusto sa isip at puso mo, gusto mo nang gawin, gusto mo nang i-accomplish, gusto mo nang subukan, gusto mo na ng resulta, but medyo this time medyo mahirap medyo parang saan kukuha ng tulong, saan kukuha ng resources o ng pamasahe for others, or halimbawa kulang ka ng skills, kulang ka ng education for this, for that. Ang sinasabi sa'yo ng Five of Pentacles, kailangan mo daw focus on your strengths, focus on your assets, focus on your abilities na positive, na makakatulong para ma-incorporate mo sa iyong endeavor at pagkakabalahan now. I know this will resonate with you. Kayo po makakaalam kung ano yung assets or abilities or qualities mo na positive traits mo and skills mo na makakatulong o pwede mo indagdag dyan sa problema mo para masolusyonan mo siya. God is giving you the ability and the opportunity to really assess yourself para makita mo kung ano yung mga kaya ko to ito kaya i-apply ko sa bagay na to, baka mag-work this time. Or halimbawa sa job o kaya sa in-applyan mo, kakilala mo si ganto. So make use of that advantage na kausapin siya, tulungan mo ko, ilakad mo naman ako sa ganito. So use everything na meron ka as an advantage for you para matakloban mo tong mga pagkukulang o mga bagay na wala ka in order for you to get out of this problem, para magkaroon ka ng ibang solusyon sa problema mo na hindi mo na kailangang isipin pa yung kahinaan mo. Okay? Five of Pentacles being clarified by the Six of Swords. Yeah, sailing forward. Huwag ka na daw mag-dwell dun sa mga bagay na wala ka o mga bagay na, dalawang beses lobas pala yung Six of Swords, So, huwag ka na daw mag-dwell dun sa mga bagay na na wala ka o kakulangan mo. Because 666 is about reassessment Parang, it's time to step back muna and think this through. Pag ginawa mo yun, saka ka lang makakaabante at makakasulong forward at makapunta ka na sa gusto mong puntahan. Okay? In the recent past, you have the Ten of Cups. You did everything for your family, for the stability and harmony in your family, whether you chose to sacrifice your dreams and yourself and go abroad to work for your family, o yung double time ka ngayon about other jobs para magtrabaho, para kumita ng malaki. For others, nangutang ka ng pera para panggastos sa pamilya mo, pambayad sa bills, and for your kids' studies. So, you did everything in the past for your family to make sure na may pagkain sa mesa, may panggastos, merong mahuhugot para kapag nangangailangan. So, you worked hard. I'm seeing a hard-working Scorpio here. And also for others, you worked very, very hard para maparatili yung harmony sa relationship mo with your family, for your significant other, kung wife ba o husband. I'm seeing na parang nakikipag kayo, parang tawag dito, yung compromise ka lagi para masiguro lang na tahimik, peaceful, walang gulo, walang away, ano. Kahit na minsan feeling mo hindi ka nauunawaan o hindi ka naiintindihan, pero parang nagpapaubaya ka in the past. So, the Ten of Cups is being clarified by the Moon. Yes, marami ka, there are a lot of things na parang hindi mo kontrolado, hindi mo alam kung paano gagawin. You just went through it. You sacrificed yourself. You did everything that you can. Pero may mga bagay na hindi mo mapanghawakan o hindi mo maintindihan kung bakit lumilihis o bakit hindi pupunta sa plano mo o bakit hindi siya successful the way you wanted to be in the past. So that there's a lot of moon moments, whether meaning you're questioning things na in the past. You're questioning bakit ganito, bakit ganyan, bakit hindi mag-work, at trabaho ka naman trabaho, bakit parang kulang, ganyan. So marami kang questions in your mind sa sobrang effort and sobrang kayod mo, bakit hindi pa rin siya umaakma dun sa result na gusto mo. So those questions will be answered here in the near future. Scorpio, you're very lucky because yung mga questions may answers with the Ace of Wands, ay kalinawan, a new life, a new endeavor, out with the old, in with the new. There will be a snap moment para, aha, ito pala yung sagot. Aha, ito pala yung reason kung bakit dinaanan ko yun, kung bakit yun ang naging landas, kung bakit hindi natuloy, kung bakit kailangan ko mag-sacrifice. Mga ganon. Kung meron kang mga questions in the past na kung bakit ganito, bakit ganyan, bakit ako iniwan, o bakit ako pinabayaan, o bakit kailangan ako lang kumilos, mga ganyan. So, the answers will come to you in the near future with the Ace of Wands. So, para may enlightenment sa'yo eh. So, the Ace of Wands being clarified by the Ten of Swords. Yes, this enlightenment will definitely end all of your hardships or end this parang lingering questions na nagpapahirap sa'yo, nagbibigay sa'yo ng sobrang stress. Kung halimbawa may utang sa'yo in the past and hindi ka binayaran, parang anong nangyari doon, ba't ganun? Naging mababait lang naman ako, naging magbigay lang naman ako, tumulong lang naman ako. And then in the near future, magkakaroon ng kalinawan whether lalapit siya sa'yo, maintindihan mo na kung bakit di siya nakabayad. And then now, babayaran ka na niya. So, matatapos na yung stress mo sa bagay na yun. Halimbawa lang yun for others. But for others, there will be a beautiful, beautiful enlightenment. Parang may sagot na darating. That will end a hardship. Kung halimbawa, dati hanap ka ng hanap ang trabaho, wala kang makuhang trabaho. Now, there will be a gift from above, para bigla ang surprise na meron ng bagong job that will end your search for a certain job. So something will end this week sa'yo, in the near future sa'yo, Scorpio, an end of a hardship or a question or a difficulty, and you will be entering a new life and a new cycle for you. But a challenge for you this week, Scorpio, you have the Six of Swords. Challenge siya sa'yo whether it is time to go or it's time to still continue pursuing things dito sa yung life. You have the fire to continue doing things para may tinatrabaho ka pero para marirealize mo, is it worth it? Time na ba to let go and move on, or tutuloy ko pa ba? That is your challenge. So you really have to dig deep and research para may hinihintay kang balita, may hinihintay kang development with the Page of Swords So ikaw, gora ka na ba to something else, moving on to some other endeavor o someone, kung tao man to, it's about love life, o stay ka pa rin and try mo pa i-work out. Yun yung challenge mo sa'yo this week. So the Six of Swords is being clarified by the Six of Cups. 666 release talaga to. So it's really about the past. You're thinking too much of the past, pwedeng past relationship, a past job, or a past mistakes, or past rejections. Parang feeling ko, for others to, parang feeling ko hindi mo pa napapatawad yung sarili mo sa mga maling nangyari in the past, o meron ka pa rin mga taong hindi napapatawad in the past, kaya hindi ka makamove on, hindi ka makamove forward, parang may pagkukulang pa sila sa'yo o may atraso sila sa'yo, ano? So, the challenge for this week is to kailangan mo nang harapin yung past so that you can really move on. Itakal mo na to, communicate this stress ka o concerns mo so that you can really move forward and move on now with your life. If it's a childhood trauma o childhood issue, kailangan mo na siguro itong harapin talaga kasi that is the only way, that is the only thing that's keeping you from moving forward. So harapin mo na yan para makaabante ka na. In the area naman of your good fortune, maganda naman kasi justice, balance, harmony. Kung ano man to kaharapin mo, pag nalagpasan mo itong bagay na kailangan mong tapusin na para maka-move on forward ka na. Harmony will come to you. Kasagutan, I'm seeing you're gonna get the truth, you're gonna get the answers. For others, winning a court case, kasi nasa area siya ng good fortune at justice to, court case. You're gonna get that contract, yun ang nababasa ko. May contract na paparating at may approval. I'm seeing papers of approval. Your name is written on there. Isa-sign mo yon. There will be an agreement. Kung halimbawa, bibili ka ng bahay o mag-loan ka or gonna get like papers for a loan. Ma-approve yan sa'yo. So, there will be a lot of papers signing up for you na in the area of your fortune, you're gonna get it. So, harmony will come to you this week. A Scorpio. So Justice card is being clarified by the Seven of Swords. A clever strategy ang kailangan mo daw, because sometimes for others, Seven of Swords like backstabbing or lies, deceit, deception. But since nasa area siya ng good fortune, I'm seeing it as you finding ways, strategize, mga strategies na very clever, very smart strategies para maakuha mo yung sagot sa mga problema mo now. So kung nag-iisip ka ng paraan para ka maka-move forward, pero makakaisip ka doon ng strategy na mag-restore sa'yo ng balance sa life mo, and you're gonna get good karma. For others, kung may mga nagkamali man sa'yo, tanloko at nanakit sa'yo, makukuha nila yung karma na yon, and you will get the good karma because feeling ko you took the high road and that you were matured enough sa naging conflict na yan. But for others, I'm seeing good strategy and a good outcome sa tinatrabaho mo now. Okay? In your area of good advice from the divine, you have the Hierophant and the King of Swords. Meron ka daw isang desisyon that will propel you to higher level. Parang aangat ka dito. Meron kang paninindigan ng isang desisyon na yun ang magdadala sa'yo sa right path, and that will develop. For example, sa trabaho, meron kang desisyon na ginawa doon that will propel you to a better position or a promotion, or halimbawa pagtaas ng sahod, or kikilanin ka ng boss mo, because Hierophant is also about powers at B, whether boss, supervisor, a mentor, a CEO, basta taong mas mataas sa'yo, someone with authority, someone that you abide to, na may authority, may power, may certain rules na tinitake. So, may paninindigan ka, something, and you're gonna level up. But for others, I'm also seeing you studying and asking for help, asking for advice, asking for a way para masolusyonan yung problema mo, because King of Swords like fighting and heading on, no? Parang you're gonna tackle the issue head on, hindi mo na palalagpasin, hindi ka na paligoy-ligoy, parang giging diretso ka na at hindi ka na panghihinaan ng loob to ask or to find solutions. So meron taong darating sa'yo na makakatulong sa'yo to give you advice, to give you moral support halimbawa, o kaya to give you like right ways or right that nadadaling ka sa tamang paraan para magawa mo yan. But for others, I'm seeing na parang ready ka na to get married. For other Scorpio to, parang ready ka, very specific, ready ka na to get married. You're gonna pop up the question to your special someone, at ready ka na to have a family with that someone. So congratulations. So the Hierophant is being clarified by the Nine of Wands. Yes, your hard work is being rewarded. Mag-level up ka na dyan sa trabaho mo o sa passion project na inaatupag mo or sa school. Parang yung hard work mo magkakaroon ng reward, and you're gonna reap the fruit of your labor. The King of Swords is being clarified by the Four of Swords. Wow. So I'm seeing na yung inilaban mo, kailangan mo rin dagdagan ng tiwala sa sarili mo, and that don't force things. I'm seeing parang you do your best effort, kung ano yung kaya mo, pero ipagpasa Diyos mo din. Don't force things too much. Parang let the process go, since ang Hierophant about tradition and going to the laws, parang daanan mo yung tamang proseso, and just do your best and let it be. Parang let the flow continue, parang let the water flow, and hintayin mo yung resulta. No? Parang relax ka rin paminsan-minsan daw, sabi sa'yo ng Four of Swords. Pag puntahan ng yung mapakagandang outcome na wish fulfillment, meron kang katuparan ng pangarap mo this week, Scorpio. Let's have additional messages from the Divine. First, you have number 10, Buffalo Spirit. Kung birthday nyo po ang number 10 o number of significance. Buffalo, kung nakita po kayo ng buffalo anywhere, whether pictures, personal, o napag-usapan, this is a confirmation that this message is for you. The abundant universe will provide. Kaya kailangan mo daw hindi i-force eh. Parang ibibigay sa'yo ng Diyos kung ano yung para sa'yo eh. May wish fulfillment ka. Oh. Another message, luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. Wow, napakaswerte mo nga. Swerte ka. And another message, taking shelter, the answers are within. So nasa sa'yo daw yung sagot. Especially sa challenge mo. Go ka na ba o hindi? Hingin ka ba ng tulong? Sugod ka na ba o medyo hahayaan mo lang? You need also to ask for help para makasulong ka na, di ba? And focus on your strength, sabi dito. So, the answers are really within you. So, your outcome with this week, napakaswerte, with the 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment, contentment, kung ano yung hiniling mo, makakuha mo, you have everything that you need. So, kung ano naman itong tinatrabaho mo, the answer is yes. Kung may questions ka, whether kaya ko ba to, magagawa ko ba to, may bunga ba to, yes. The answer is yes. The outcome will be celebratory. It will be in your favor, ika nga. So the 9 of Cups is being clarified, but the Magician, wow. The Magician and 9 of Cups in one reading. Wow. Parang, kung ano na yung pangarap mo at gusto mo matupad, makukuha mo siya, because Magician is manifestation. It's a master of creating things. Kung ano yung naisip niya, kung ano yung pinangarap niya, dinasal niya, matutupad at mangyayari in reality. Wow. Everything you wish for will be in your hands at matutupad at makukuha mo siya. Wow, very, very abundant and prosperous week for you, Virgo. Congratulations. This is your weekly reading for Feb 17 to 23. Kung naka-resonate po kayo, comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for not skipping the ads, for your generosity and kindness para po sa channel natin. It means a lot to me. See you again next time for your weekly reading. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.